For years, our world has been at peace. But something is coming.
De film begint bij het begin, op de planeet Azeroth. Een wereld te vergelijken met die van ons, maar dan gevuld met ridders en magiërs. Er breekt een oorlog uit wanneer een enorm orkvolk hun eigen stervende wereld verlaat en via een magisch portaal Azeroth binnendringt om de plek te koloniseren.
Our world is dying. There is nothing to go back to. If our people are to survive, we must make a home here.
Ik zat samen met de hoofdacteurs Travis Fimmel.
I play Lothar. He's the commander of the human army.
Paula Patton.
I play Garona. She is half orc, half human.
En Toby Kebbell.
I play Durotan. He's the chieftain of the Frostwolf clan.
En ik vroeg hen hoe moeilijk het was om te acteren in een virtueel decor waar de helft van de personages met de computer is gemaakt.
Yeah, it's interesting. There is a moment that you have to sort of suspend disbelief and imagine something else. But that's why you need the human being there to make it work when you watch it on screen, when it has all of it, when the special effects are there and he is the orc and he looks like it. But more important to me is the eyes, it's the soul, it's the energy. So yeah, you're not in costume, but you're there in spirit, and so it doesn't change that much for me because I'm trying to interact with the person. So.
Toby Kebbell speelt Durotan, een personage dat met de computer is gemaakt, met een proces dat motion capture heet. Toby heeft dat vroeger al eens gedaan in Dawn of the Planet of the Apes. Hoe anders was deze rol?
In fact, that role, playing an ape, was way harder than this. To stay in that ape form and do that and the whole snarling and everything is way more difficult because one fake movement, one tiny false move, the computer reads it wrong, it's a wasted performance. They can't just replace one arm.
If we do not unite, our world will perish.
This doesn't need to happen. There is one who may help us.
For orcs, there is no other life but war.
De opnames zijn begonnen in het begin van 2014 en het verhaal van de film is gebaseerd op een van de boeken, Warcraft: The Last Guardian. De regisseur van de film is Duncan Jones, niemand minder dan de zoon van David Bowie.
How many visual effect shots are there in the movie?
Thousands. No, it's a vast amount. I don't have the number on hand, but it's a huge amount. And the time frame between finishing a cut of the film and receiving finished shots to a point where you can make the final kind of tweaks, because when you get an effect shot, that can have an impact on things like just to the frame. It can have an impact, and once you've done that, then you've kind of changed the timings on music and things like that. Everything has a repercussion. So even though I may have finished the cut, with the delivery of the effect shots, things still need to be kind of just fiddled with just to get it right.
De vergelijking met Lord of the Rings is niet zo ver te zoeken, want ook hier kom je orks, demonen en trollen tegen.
It's a Lord of the Rings movie on steroids, in a good way.
Okay.
But apart from that, what would you say is the main difference between that trilogy and yours?
Well, look, Lord of the Rings, what Peter Jackson did with those movies, absolutely, in my opinion, set the bar of what the expectations are of what a fantasy film can and should be. But it's kind of been like that since he did that first trilogy, and we really wanted to see if we could open up what fantasy films could be, make it more make it feel hyper real, colorful and loud and comic, like a comic book in some ways. So we tried to give it this very different aesthetic, which is more in keeping with what the game was, which is where obviously the initial inspiration comes from.
Can we trust him?
They're beasts. They should all be destroyed.
We'll protect the kingdom, you and I.
You'd side with the humans against your own kind.
This is suicide.
We have no choice. We should attack with full force.
Het begon allemaal in 1994 met een eenvoudig videogame, Warcraft: Orcs and Humans. En de Warcraft-franchise heeft de voorbije 20 jaar niet stilgezeten. Naast de game is er ook onder meer een reeks comicboeken verschenen, een magazine, meer dan 30 romans en nu dus ook een film. Voor regisseur Duncan Jones zeker geen makkelijke opdracht.
It wasn't easy, but at the same time, I absolutely relished the opportunity and the challenge to what in my mind was to right a wrong. It really is about creating characters and finding a story where the audience are going to care and want to hear hear it from start to finish. But it can be about just about anything, and it being based on a video game is not a reason why it shouldn't work. So, I think it's interesting. You look at comic book movies and you see that, in the past comic book movies haven't been great, but now they work really well. And I think it's because the people who are making those movies grew up reading comics. And for me, I grew up playing video games, so maybe it's something to do with being immersed in that kind of subculture, that to come out of that and make a movie, you have a better shot at making a good movie.
Find these beasts, or whatever they are.
Why are you here? To save our people.
Whatever you plan to do, do it now!
Ik sprak ook met 2 andere hoofdacteurs, Ben Schnetzer.
I play Khadgar, who is a young mage in the film.
En Bob Kaczynski.
I play Orgrim Doomhammer, who is first amongst the warriors of the Frostwolf clan. He's like the sexy one.
Are you guys gamers? Did you know Warcraft before?
I knew of it, obviously. I had friends who were pretty hardcore gamers. But I wasn't much of a gamer growing up. So my first real in-depth exposure to it was through Duncan's script. Rob, on the other hand.
Yeah, I played this game a lot. I've been playing for over a decade. I used to be in a sponsored guild. We'd be challenging for world. Well, we never really challenged for world first, but we'd try. It was former professional player of the game.
What was the most fun part for you?
Fun part?
Yeah.
Man. Well, this, right?
Yeah, I'm impressed with Rob, obviously. I think getting to just sink our teeth into such a rich world of fantasy. And the mythology is so layered and it's so full. And so being able to dive into that and dive into it kind of from a first person point of view. So it was just a treat to go to work. It was a joy, yeah.
Ook Duncan Jones is een fervent gamer en zelf grote fan van Warcraft. Wat heeft hij van zichzelf in de film gestopt?
Mainly character elements. Durotan on the orc side of things and his wife Draka are a couple who are expecting a child. My wife and I are expecting our first child. So there's where as a director and co-writer as well, on the writing side of things, I always try and bring in personal experiences and just things that feel real and feel human into anything I'm working in, whether it's science fiction or fantasy.
What is the character you're most proud of?
Durotan. I mean, Durotan and Draka, the two of them together, the fact that it's a couple that I think the audience is really going to care about and think of as real beings, even though they're on the orc side of things. They're not where you expect to see the most loving couple. But I really feel that works.
Het aantal online spelers van Warcraft is de laatste jaren sterk teruggevallen. Van meer dan 12 miljoen in 2010 tot nauwelijks 5 miljoen vorig jaar. Laten we hopen dat de film de franchise nieuw leven inblaast.
Is there going to be a sequel?
If it does well, we're hoping if people can, this is the interesting thing, is that if this film does do well and everybody goes to see it and it makes, a $250 billion, then great. We get to go on then and tell even more interesting stories and really delve into this world that is so fascinating to people like me. We just need this film to do well, and I know it's good enough to do it, so go and watch the film.
Eén vraagje nog. Paula Patton draagt voor haar personage in de film een nogal vreemd vals gebit. Het lijken wel omgekeerde vampierentanden. Dat moet niet zo makkelijk zijn geweest.
Was it difficult with the teeth?
It was at the beginning, and then I came to love them. It was funny, but I had to stretch my mouth out a bit to make it work. But once I did, I came to love them.
But you pulled it off.
Oh, you're sweet. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Warcraft, the beginning.